बहुत ज़्यादा लोग अभी फ़िलहाल अगर आप देखें तो शॉर्ट फिल्म्स बना रहे हैं ऑफ कोर्स, राइट फ्रॉम ऑल द A-listers टू दिस टू दैट बिकॉज बहुत सारे फ़ायदे उसमें हैं यू नो अगर आप ये नहीं कर सकते देयर आर मैनी थिंग्स ऑनेस्टली मैंने नहीं सोचा था बिकॉज अब मैं इतनी सारी वीडियोस बनाती हूँ टू बी वेरी वेरी ऑनेस्ट यू नो आई अर्न गुड मनी फ्रॉम यूट्यूब अच्छा खासा आई अर्न जो भी सिली वीडियोस में बनाती टू बी वेरी वेरी ऑनेस्ट राइट फ्रॉम बेडरूम सीक्रेट्स बाथरूम जो भी मैंने कारनामे किए हैं तो आई थॉट थोड़ा सा हेल्दी कारनामा किया जाए और अनएक्सपेक्टेडली आई वाज नॉट रियली एक्सपेक्टिंग कि लोगों ने परफॉर्मेंस की ज़्यादा तारीफ़ की ना कि स्किन शो की. I earn good money from YouTube. I make all these silly videos to be very honest. लोग बोलते हैं कि ये ऐसी है वैसी चीज़ है whatever. But I earn good money. I earn good money and I'm happy. So I thought क्यों ना थोड़ा सा healthy काम किया जाए. And I thought I honestly didn't expect it कि इतना अच्छा response मिलेगा the we can say. I was happy because for the first time लोगों ने स्किन की ज़्यादा ना तारीफ़ करते हुए they said that I'm a good actor and I was like चलो अच्छा है कुछ अच्छी बात बनी. So I was happy. Big time. My friends, I remember अभी कल ही मेरी एक friend से मेरी बात हो रही थी. My friend Pinky, she called me up and she was like, Poonam, you remember we used to play model हम लोग ramp walk खेलते थे and all that drama. Okay. I was like, हाँ यार I remember. So she was like, Poonam, honestly I didn't knew कि you would actually do it. And you're actually there like हाँ यार मुझे याद नहीं मैं तो that I just quickly I was like oh shit so I always wanted to be here so yeah बहुत ज़्यादा I mean मुझे ऐसा लगता है right मैंने जितने इंटरव्यूज़ देखे हैं और मैं जितनी चीज़ें देखती हूँ मैं जितनी चीज़ें पढ़ती हूँ I've noticed this with mostly the Bollywood people कि इनके अंदर इन्हें ऐसा कुछ करने का हमेशा से इंटरेस्ट रहता है और मैंने ये नोट किया आई डोंट नो व्हाई which is kind of different but which is kind of जितना मैंने रीड किया I think right from Madhuri Dixit I remember I read about her and they always say that that मुझे ये करना पसंद था तो it's cool though about my journey it's just not that league nowhere. I have come all from a different angle. Became overnight celebrity. कभी auditions नहीं दिए. All of a sudden, I saw fan following in my life. So I've not really done what they have done because it is altogether different league with respect. But I always wanted to be here the way I am. I always Madhuri, ma'am, what you said, and I would say Kajol. I would say Rekha, I would say all those beautiful Indian ladies because though again there is no comparison because I come again from a whole different social media and blah 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 so there is but you always follow somebody right like you always follow a superhero you always follow so I think for me अगर मैं देखूँ तो मेरे ख्याल से ये जो actresses थी I think इन्हें कोई बीट नहीं कर सकता कभी भी और शायद कभी नहीं कर पाएगा बिकॉज उनकी अपनी एक अदा है उनकी अपनी एक सिग्नेचर स्टाइल है तो आई थिंक दे आर फैबुलस सो आई बीन फॉलोइंग देम ऑन माय बैड एक्सपीरियंस आई वाज शिवरिंग I was like first I thought Poonam we can do it come on I mean easy है यार कर लेंगे once you wear and that heartbeat is like oh shit I'm actually going to go and walk the ramp but it's so easy like I make videos now I make everything but to be very honest yes I was nervous I was like अरे heel अगर कुछ हो गया dress अटक गई कुछ हो गया yeah I was so nervous in fact मैं सोच रही थी मैं एक glass wine पी लूँ but that was so unprofessional so I couldn't do that I couldn't even do that I just felt like I should drink something you should do something that's what people say ask me I know the reality you act you're like that you don't care but then I know the reality कि पूनम तेरी तो बैंड बजी हुई अंदर से but you cannot show it on face honestly, I did not expect it. Because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं, it's just you do controversies, it's just 15 minute का fame, and it's not going to work. That is not how it works in Bollywood. So I thought I just picked up a different, all different route to get here, because people अलग तरीके से आते हैं लोग, contacts, maybe references, maybe auditions, ये जो basic तरीका होता है. I created controversies to come here, and then people were like, it's not going to happen. It's not that easy. You think that just because you think that people are coming clicking pictures with you, you would get work offers. And I was like, okay, but then fortunately God was kind enough. After the World Cup controversies, I started making good money. And I started refusing offers because there were some film offers which were just not good. So I started, and I was like, यार 15 मिनट का फेम, मैं 4.5 साल से अभी तक तो यहीं पे हूँ और बहुत अच्छे से हूँ, and people are loving me, and I love that. I really love that. Really appreciate that. And did Nasha film, which went good. I mean, coming from nowhere, if I do something, I think according to me, I think I did a good job. I don't really care what people say because they always speak. It does not really matter. I did Malini & Co in South, which went amazingly amazing. And I'm already doing another Telugu film, जिसकी shooting already चालू है, it's going good. जो student का role play कर रहा था, वो मुझसे age में बड़ा था. Awkward कैसे नहीं लगेगा? First time आप कैमरे पे bold scene कर रहे हो, especially with 100 crew, like इतने सारे लोग आपके आसपास हैं और आपने कभी वो किया नहीं है, like of course not in front of public, or it's almost like everybody is looking at you right from the cameraman. Of course it's their job, but I was like, I'm gonna kiss this guy. I mean, but I was like, Poonam, just do it. Just enjoy it and do it. Like, just do it. So it was also fun. It was weird feeling. It was something that, अरे यार ये कैसे कर सकती है? So there were all kind of emotions which was going inside. लड़की नहीं चाहेगी ऐसा कुछ. I mean, वो बोलती हैं, they are like, how dare you call me this? लेकिन मन ही मन में मेरे हिसाब से उन्हें अच्छा लगता होगा. I mean, I always love it when people call me sexy. I love it because I think it's a compliment. I think it's a great compliment that any girl can get. आप मतलब मुझे खींच के ले ही जाना ना 2011 में, और ये हर बार होता है, पता है मेरे साथ ये हर बार होता है. मतलब कहीं पे भी जाओ, किसी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, वो मुझे I don't understand, but my journalist friends, according to them, they think I've got little bit marketing strategy, I got little bit good marketing strategy, and they always like me for that. I remember 11 March, मेरे birthday का दिन, I was there with some friends of mine. They're journalists, and we were just discussing, and I'm being very honest. I've never said this on camera. For the first time, I'm saying this. Okay. I remember that we were talking, and they were like, and I was like, कुछ करते यार, कुछ बड़ा करना है, and I was like, Kingfisher हो गया, okay, Kingfisher was good, big enough. I was in Glad Rags was big enough. I shot like 29-30 calendars in a year, big enough. Did Grammy Awards TV commercial, was big enough, but I was still not getting that, no, you like, you do so much, but then I saw that there are so many girls in this industry who has worked so many Khans and Kapoors, and I don't know, but people still don't recognize them. Because they recognize the Khan, so they recognize the Kapoor. So how to get your own identification, right. Especially when you come from nowhere, right. With no background. You're from a Pandey, decent Brahmin family. तो मैं अब तो controversy कुछ कर सकती है. तो बस एक ही प्यारा सा हथियार.
So आपने हथियार की तरह इस्तेमाल किया.
बिल्कुल. और देखो मैं अभी भी I'm just signing films and enjoying. I just didn't want it to get count with another girls who are working with respect to them, but I wanted, I don't really care if it's a bad recognition or a good recognition. When somebody recognizes itself, according to me, I'm like, I think I did good enough.
लेकिन आपके उस कमिटमेंट के बाद लोग काफी नाराज भी हो गए थे.
अभी बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हैं. अब मुझे फ़ोन आते हैं, मुझसे पूछते यार पूनम, हाउ डू यू डू दिस?
मतलब अभी भी उसका इफेक्ट अभी भी
है. In fact, now my friends, when they call me like my journalist, when they're like, what are you going to do next? What are you going to do next? Because I always come up with different marketing strategies, and which always works. It हमेशा काम करता है. Touch wood, works.
Okay. आपको टक्कर देने के लिए और भी कई खूबसूरत हसीना है.
बहुत ज़्यादा है यार. मैं कहीं नहीं हूँ. मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ.
सनी लियोनी का आपने नाम सुना होगा.
मैं बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ इनफैक्ट उनकी. मैं उनकी पॉर्न वेबसाइट्स चेक किया करती थी जब मैं 10th स्टैंडर्ड में थी. तो and to be very honest, with respect to that woman, from wherever she has come and whatever she has done, whatever she has seen in life, not every woman can do it.
Okay, तो आप उनको कंपैरेटर मानती है या फिर नहीं मानती?
नहीं यार, मैं दूर दूर तक कहीं पे भी नहीं हूँ उनके. She is too big. She's too big. I'm in fact a big fan of her. I respect her for whatever she has done. लोग आज housewives होती हैं जो घर पे, you know, that they wear big golden bangles. Just go out and see what life is out there. You know कि औरतें क्या कर रही हैं, लड़कियाँ क्या कर रही हैं. You know, just आपकी do it by yourself. So I respect these ladies who have done things by themselves and not with anybody's support. घर पे रोटी पकाना is easy. Go out and earn it and then cook it. Oh yes. Oh my God.
क्या reaction था उस पर?
I remember again. I used to get many phone calls from my radio jockey friends. They were like, "Poonam, this is happening. They're copying you and stuff." I'm like, you cannot stop somebody for doing something, right? I cannot just get up and say, "Hey, that's my copyright. Don't take it." So I used to like. I was like, "उनके कपड़े यार, उन्हें पहनना है, उतारना है. I cannot do anything. उन्होंने खरीदा है तो."
एक गलती हो गई आपसे, कॉपीराइट आपने नहीं किया.
नहीं यार, कर लेना चाहिए था. अभी मैं रेवेन्यू बड़े अच्छे कमा लेती हूँ उस चीज़ के. आपको पता है, काफ़ी रेवेन्यू कमा लेती हूँ. I see them as my guru. I like the way they dress up themselves. I like the way they carry themselves. I like the way they talk. I like everything about that part. And it's always, you should never compete yourself, to be very honest. That sounds so stupid. It's like, I call myself a newcomer. I'm still a learning person. I learn every day.
Yes,
Come on, yeah. I mean, and then these girls, they've made a mark now, and we should respect that more. We should respect. They've done a lot of hard work. You see, right from Sanjay Leela Bhansali film to this Phantom film about it. They've worked a lot. We should respect that.
Okay. In your personal life, do you compete with yourself?
A lot.
A lot.
A lot. I'm like, if somebody says, no, you cannot do that, I'm like, I can do it. So I'm like, I always compete with myself. A lot. That is something I'll be very honest on camera. A lot. I think positive change already aa chuka hai. Women-oriented films are working. I don't really think that, I don't know what you're talking about exactly. You're talking about casting couch, you're talking about what? No, I don't think so. I think women are ruling the world everywhere. Let it be anything, anywhere. Though men have that wrong mentality that they are ruling, but unfortunately it's not. If you see properly, it's all about women. So I think that is not the case nowhere.
Okay, you said you made a lot of videos, but you said silly videos.
Of course.
Don't you think
See,
as an art?
I tell you something.
Okay.
I sell myself like like I'm a producer, and I have a product. I have a brand called Poonam Pandey. Now, what I'm going to do with this girl? So that is how I look at myself, and I sell myself. That is how I make my videos. I come up with different tweets or maybe different controversies that would work. So I always do these silly things. And if I would see, like a normal person, I think Poonam Pandey is silly. But if I would see myself more as a marketing person, more as a, more of like that, whatever she does, she's there. So I think in a way, it is also smart. So If I call myself smart, people will think I'm stupid. But if I call myself stupid, they will be like, okay, she's cute. Yes. Well, again, I mean, to be very honest, it's passion is the right word because I want to be in this industry. So I would do anything to be here. I am not come from a big family, so and I don't have a godfather. So I have to take care of myself. And if they think that I'm too desperate for attention, yes, I am, because that is how I'm getting everything in my life. और
Okay.
क्यों ना करूं?
Okay.
मैं honestly, I think I'm too small to even think like that. मैं वैसा नहीं सोचती. It's always good to learn from things. मैं किसी से भी कुछ भी सीखती हूँ, right from my servant. I mean, I like to learn things. किससे compete करूँगी और कहाँ जाऊँगी compete करके? वो ऐसा लगता है कि आपने अपनी खुद की एक झूठी दुनिया बना रखी है और आप घर पे न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हो और आप compete कर रहे हो. तो वो इंसान तो आपसे ऊपर ही है, बिकॉज आप उसके बारे में पढ़ रहे हो, आप उसको फॉलो कर रहे हो, आप उसको देख रहे हो, तो कंपटीशन कहाँ से हुआ?
You're fully sorted person. Okay. हमने सुना है आपकी फिल्में भी आ रही है, कुछ बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स में आप नजर आने वाले हैं.
आप मरवाओगे.
People really wanted to know about it. किस तरह की फिल्में होंगी और कुछ भी तो आप बता सकते हैं.
I've already done something. In fact, the shooting is already done, but unfortunately मैं कैमरे पे उसके बारे में नहीं बोल सकती because signed a confidential agreement. But yes, things are pretty much fine, pretty much positive, and I'm happy, as you can see.
Okay. उसके अलावा और कोई प्रोजेक्ट, जैसे बहुत सारे अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, जैसे डिजिटल हुए, टीवी हुए, उसमें उनमें भी आप कभी नजर आने वाले हैं?
डिजिटल की कुछ अच्छी डील साइन हुई है. naughtime.com, उन्होंने मुझे एज अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर साइन किया अभी रिसेंटली. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मैंने एक इंटरनेशनल रियलिटी शो अभी जस्ट आई हैव डन दिस शूटिंग जो बहुत अच्छी हुई. which I'm very much happy that somewhere मैं भी कहीं इंडिया से निकल के कहीं इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करने गई, and I feel blessed that I did that. I feel so happy, and उसकी शूटिंग हो चुकी है अभी. I think the post production work is going on, तो वो तो अब बहुत जल्दी देखोगे. I think next 15 days.
इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे भी हम आपको देख पाएंगे.
Of course, yes.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा भी आपने नाम सुना
Oh,
होगा.
she's too big. I follow her and I salute her. She's amazing. The way she's doing things in life, I think every woman should learn something from her. The way she's handling herself, it is amazing. Not every woman can do that.
Okay. इंडिया से किसी रियलिटी शो में आपको कोई कभी ऑफर आया, लाइक बिग बॉस रियलिटी शो?
बिग बॉस से पता नहीं, मैं बिग बॉस कभी गई नहीं, लेकिन पिछले जब से मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में आई हूँ, आई थिंक पिछले 2-3 साल से तो मेरा नाम जोड़ा जाता है. आई थिंक वो मुझसे ज़्यादा तंग आ गए होंगे और मैं भी तंग आ गई हूँ. आई वॉच बिग बॉस, आई फॉलो बिग बॉस. My family watch Big Boss. My sister, she's all the time. She's like, अरे ये देखा, अरे वो स्वामी को देखा, अरे मैं घर पे जाती हूँ. She is like, वो पता नहीं वो स्वामी की बहुत बड़ी fan है. She's like, she talks about स्वामी. She's like, ये इसने स्वामियों का नाम खराब करके रखा है. ये कैसी बात. I'm like, कि कौन? So I think इतनी मुझे स्टोरी पता है Big Boss की. There is nothing related to Big Boss. Big Boss is a good show, but nothing related to Big Boss.
Don't you think you should be a part of Big Boss?
No way. I think for anybody, not for a celebrity, I think this is according to me. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक इंसान के लाइफ में क्यूरियोसिटी होनी चाहिए हमेशा. बिग बॉस बहुत ही अच्छा शो है, for sure, with respect, but मुझे मेरी सारी चीज़ें नहीं दिखानी. अच्छी बात है ना?
कैसा लगता है आपको? मतलब
I feel good.
you feel good.
सब स्ट्रैटेजाइज होती हैं. एवरीथिंग इज स्ट्रैटेजाइज. नथिंग इज कुछ. मैं बिल्कुल झूठ नहीं बोलती बिकॉज इसको मैं एक बिजनेस के तरीके से लेती हूँ, तो मैं क्यों झूठ बोलूँ? इट्स माई ब्रेड एंड बटर. तो वाई शुड आई लाई? एवरीथिंग इज स्ट्रैटेजाइज. photo shoots, everything is strategized. There's a whole big team sitting behind me, and they are working on this brand called Poonam Pandey, and I'm also working on this brand. So everything is strategized, right from all the controversies to this and that. I just don't want to come up and say like any actor or any actress the way सभी लोग PR hire करते हैं, सभी लोग news भी करते हैं, and then all of a sudden they are like, no, it's not me. नहीं मैंने नहीं किया मैं बोल दो यार आप बेवकूफ नहीं हो राइट यू आर स्मार्ट यू नो हाउ द इंडस्ट्री वर्क्स सो जस्ट फेस इट एंड से द ट्रुथ आप बिल्कुल यकीन नहीं करेंगे मैंने कल ही ऑनलाइन पेपर स्प्रे और एक स्टिक मंगवाया इनफैक्ट क्योंकि जो पुराना पेपर स्प्रे था वो एक्सपायर हो गया तो आई हैड टू पेपर स्प्रे there are some people they follow me especially when I'm in my car and I don't know like sometimes my driver is sitting down in the car and they are like they come and they ask my driver ये पूनम पांडे की कार है ना and my driver gets so scared they're like कभी आ रही नीचे my driver is like अभी नहीं आ रही है शाम को 8 बजे and then he calls me and I'm like oh shit so yeah it scares me it feels good but also it scares you you know I mean at the end I'm a girl and I cannot like fight cannot fight and my security is not all the time around me like मैं जब बिल्डिंग से नीचे उतर रही हूँ मैं भी घर पे तो मेरा सिक्योरिटी यहाँ तो नहीं है राइट सो एनीथिंग कैन हैपन
ओके कोई बॉलीवुड का ऐसा कौन सा स्टार है जिनके साथ आप काम करना चाहती हैं आपका सपना है
वाओ रणबीर सिंह
okay
I would say I think he's very sexy I would say Vidyut Jamwal
commando
oh I think no leave Ranveer Singh I think this guy has got the better body I just think
Vidyut Jamwal is sexier than
I think according to me Vidyut is far more better sexy than Ranveer Singh
okay
Ranveer Singh is also cool he's always very active but when you see Vidyut he's so calm but when you look you know it's I
in
just
terms of looks and what about acting
he's actually the story behind this is I was just checking my phone that day and I think on Filmfare or something I saw Vidyut Jamwal pic and I was like oh my god he looks hot sorry oh my god he looks hot and I was like he looks better than Ranveer Singh and that's how I changed my mind I said thank you bye bye now I gotta stick to this guy he's cute
okay तो विद्युत जामवाल वो ऐसा एक्टर होगा जिनके साथ आप काम करना चाहते
I would love to yeah
okay कोई ऐसा डायरेक्टर बहुत सारे जैसे संजय लीला भंसाली हैं या कोई बड़े डायरेक्टर उनकी फिल्म में आपको काम करने का मौका मिले तो
I mean I pray one day things are really going good in my life now but I still think that I'm a kid I still need to learn some more things but of course I always have a dream to work with these brilliant serious directors who make serious healthy film and they don't do silly stuff what I do but at the end back of my head of course I have this thing in my mind that I gotta
कोई ड्रीम रोल तो होगा आपका लाइफ में कि मैं कुछ ऐसा रोल करूं
यार मैंने सारी उलट कारनामे तो कर दिए मेरी लाइफ में ओके जोक्स अपार्ट ड्रीम रोल there's nothing called dream role because अभी तक जो भी अभी तक I'm doing like I did Nasha I did Malini and Co I'm doing another film roles are always good I mean you would not pick up something that you don't like I almost rejected more than 30 offers more than 40 offers I would say the film offers the silly stories which has lack of content and they just come to you and they say that okay we have to make it so erotic और हमको इसको ऐसा बनाना I said अरे यार erotism मुझे भी पता है that it sells but erotism के साथ कुछ और दो ना I said public पागल नहीं है they are not stupid so let us not be stupid you know so that's been and that's how I've been refusing offers here whatever I've done till now which is going good so there is nothing called specific dream role कि मुझे ये करना है मुझे वो करना है अभी तक जो भी आ रहा है this is all I wanted to do I'm happy
erotic genre में आपने फिल्म में काम किया है इसके अलावा और कोई genre या कोई ऐसा सिनेमा जिसके साथ इन्वॉल्व होना चाहती हो फ्यूचर में
I would like to see myself covered one day I would like to see myself, you know, with that whole thing, you know, with that Nazar Jo thing and all that. I would like to see that. How do I look like that? Because in my house, like you have come to my house, as you see, I run around with shorts and because it's always so good to be comfortable. I remember मैंने last time jeans पहनी थी and I was like shit, ऐसा लग रहा था किसी ने मेरे पैर बांध दिए. So so I prefer wearing shorts. So yes, I would like to see myself covered. See, I told you I talk very silly, but people love it.
I'm sure इंटरव्यू को बहुत लोग लव भी करेंगे, बहुत
Yeah, I mean,
पसंद भी करेंगे.
they think I'm stupid and I love it. Who cares?
Okay.
Love me the way you love.
ये साल अभी खत्म होने के कगार पर है. कोई ऐसा पार्ट, कोई ऐसा चीज जो इस साल आपको बहुत ज्यादा खुश किया हो आपको, ऐसा कोई?
ये साल actually बहुत अच्छा गया यार. I mean, far better than 2014. 2014 was more like I was not really liking anything. Offers आ रहे थे, no interest, no interest, no interest. दो तीन stupid controversies हुई थी जो honestly मैंने नहीं की थी. I had no clue. तब मुझे ऐसा लगा कि देखो ये backfire भी करता है life में.
Okay.
जब आप कुछ करते हो तो. So there were some sad things. 2015 was amazing, amazing year for me. I backed this international reality show, naughtime.com. I'm endorsing that beautiful website, which is one of the huge website. And apart from that, I already did something which I cannot speak on camera. But so I'm happy. I think this year has given me a lot of work, and I'm happy, and I'm looking forward to work more in 2017 now. Yeah.
Anything apart from your projects, and what are you looking forward to in 2017?
2017, wow. अरे पहले इससे तो निकलने दो मुझे.
ये हम जानते हैं आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स तो है, उनमें आप बिजी रहोगे. उसके अलावा और भी
उसके अलावा
और क्या रह सकता
और सोचती हूँ, और कुछ कंट्रोवर्सीज करूँगी, कुछ अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें करूँगी, अच्छी अच्छी पिक्चर्स पोस्ट करूँगी, और आप कुछ आइडियाज़ होंगे तो हम ज़रूर शेयर करेंगे.
मैं आइडिया नहीं लोग समझे कौन है ये कॉन्टेक्ट ले ली
कौन
एंड दे कॉल मी. ओके, सो चलो आप फिल्म तो करोगे. आपकी कंट्रोवर्सीज तो आई है, लेकिन पर्सनल लाइफ में आपका नाम किसी से जुड़ा नहीं है.
अच्छी बात है ना.
तो
ये बहुत अच्छी बात है.
2017 में होने वाला है.
नहीं यार, अभी नहीं. ये 2022 में होगा तो होगा, अभी नहीं.
लाइक मैनी
यार क्यों लोग किसी से नाम जोड़ते हैं? बी सिंगल एंड बी हैप्पी. दिस इज सो गुड. This is so good. Why do? I mean, of course, they all have their own choices. They all have the way. I mean, अगर मैं किसी से ऐसे बात करूँगी जो बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार में समझे, they would be like, they'd be like, love is so beautiful and stuff like that. According to me, I would say, I mean, does not make any sense for me. I mean, no, not yet. 2022.
2022.
Yeah. है वक्त है.
6 years.
वक्त 6 साल. और कुछ बोलती रहेंगी मैं. It's okay.
Okay.
I don't like to speak about my personal life on camera because that sounds too stupid. I mean that sounds too. To my fans, I would say first of all, thank you for loving me so much. And sorry if I've done anything silly, which I always do. तो मैं पहले से sorry बोल रही हूँ. Thank you for loving me so much, and happy new year. बहुत आपको in advance मैं बोल रही हूँ. I would be doing too much silly stuff out there on my Twitter and on my Instagram and on my Facebook. So see, I will go live and I'm going to do all silly things in the world, and that's what I do to keep you guys happy. And I enjoy all the comments that you always write about me, let it be whatever. So thank you for loving me.